If you're buying leads and wondering why your pipeline feels broken, I can save you a lot of money and a lot of frustration right now. Here's the situation that I see constantly with the founders that come and work with me. They buy a lead list, a data provider, lead gen agency, it doesn't matter. They load it into their CRM and then they start their outreach sequence and they watch their reply rate sit somewhere between 0 and almost 0. So the thinking becomes, the list isn't big enough. Buy more contacts. Try a different provider, more contacts, more outreach, more silence. You know, over 2 decades of working with thousands of entrepreneurs, I can tell you the volume model is broken. AI tools that generate thousands of cold emails in 10 minutes have flooded every inbox worth reaching. Decision makers now filter cold outreach automatically. So buying more leads just means sending more messages to the same wall. And look, the volume model made sense when it worked. You pay for contacts, you run some outreach, some percentage converts. That's clean logic. The problem is conversion rates have collapsed and the cost of the contacts hasn't. So you're spending more to get less. So let me show you what's actually working right now. It's 3 steps. The first shift is how you think about who you're going after. Lead lists are built around job titles and contact counts. Account-based marketing starts somewhere completely different, with a defined list of specific companies that are a genuine fit for what you deliver. I recommend starting with about 500 targeted accounts, narrowed down to maybe the 10 that you're actively working on right now. 500 specific companies filtered by the criteria that actually predicts fit, industry, size, business model, growth stage. When you know exactly the companies you want to work with, everything changes. You're not casting this wide net, you're choosing exactly who you pursue. So how do you build that list? You start with your best current clients, not average clients, your best ones. The ones who paid well, who got results, who stayed the longest, who referred someone else to you. Zoom in on what those companies have in common. Their industry headcount, revenue stage. Those patterns become your targeting criteria. Then build from there. LinkedIn Search or Sales Navigator, your own network. You find your full list, then you identify the dream 10. These are the accounts that could change your business if you landed them. Those 10 get your full attention. You stay on their radar. Then you've got to focus on visibility before outreach, because this is the step that makes everything else work, and the step that no lead list in the world can do for you. Before you reach out to anyone on your targeted list, spend some time building genuine visibility with those accounts. Follow the founders and the decision makers. Leave a great comment on something that they've posted or engage with their company content. Share something relevant to a challenge you know their industry is dealing with right now. This isn't pitching. You're not asking for their time. You're becoming a recognizable presence in their world. So when you do reach out, your message doesn't just arrive from a stranger, it arrives from someone they've already seen. That one change is the difference between a reply and a delete. I want to show you something that happened with one of the founders that I work with who ran this exact method. The result surprised them. It kind of surprised me a little bit. I'll tell you what they did in just a second. There's a 4th piece to this, and it's the piece that brings it all together. It makes the first 3 actually convert. Without it, you can build the perfect targeted list, do all the right visibility work, and still get polite rejections from the people who genuinely like you. I can't include this in this video because it takes a little bit longer to explain properly, but I've included it in my free ABM class, and when you see it, you'll immediately know what part of your current outreach it fixes. So that ABM class is on demand, it's free, you can watch it right now. I'm going to put the link in the description and probably have it on the screen as well. It's abmclass.com. That founder that I mentioned, they run a coaching business for executives and C-suite leaders inside of large organizations, and for 2 years they had been buying leads, $2,000 a month. Every month, 4 leads would come in. And here's what would happen. They'd ghost, they'd blow them off, or they'd get on a call with the person and actually say out loud, I have no idea why I'm on this call. I got pressured into taking this meeting. None of those leads ever closed, not one. So the math is easy to do. $2,000 a month for 2 years is nearly $50,000 spent with $0 earned back. When they made the shift to account-based marketing, a small, very focused set of target accounts, the visibility work we covered in step 3, no cold outreach, no list purchases, something completely different started happening. Their target accounts started reaching out to them. By day 60, one of those conversations had closed, and I'm not talking small numbers here, a nearly 6-figure deal. No cold outreach, no lead list, just the right accounts and the right approach. That's what changes when you stop chasing volume and start choosing who you pursue.